Good morning. This is Jose, and as you can see, we're on my Linux system. What I plan on doing today is actually doing a system reset on a Microsoft Surface tablet that is not in my possession right now. So I'm remoting in, and I'm going in via TeamViewer. We can just close this part out right now. And the steps are pretty straightforward. I could go through the start menu, but I normally prefer going here through all settings. Go to update and recovery, or update security, and select recovery over here on the left hand side. Ignore all those updates. And as you can see, we have a bunch of options here. If we wanted to go back to the previous version, which is already past the 10 days, that's not happening. And I have no reason to do any advanced startups. There's no repair needing to be done. So I'm going to go over here to reset this PC. Once I click on get started, I got the option to either keep my files or remove everything. I want to do a pristine install, so it'll get things ready. And we're going to do it from the recovery drive that's on the device. And it's giving me a breakdown of what's going to happen. I'm not going to change anything. And we wait. Okay, now once we're ready to reset this PC, we just click on reset, and it's going to prep, and it will restart automatically on its own. And there it goes. Now I'm going to pause this and continue once it's ready to go on to the next step. Okay, here we go. Go. Yes, we've already gone through the prep stage. It's going to restart any moment, and it looks like it has. TeamViewer, and as you can see, the Surface is already doing the reset. It's at 2%. It's going to take a little bit of time. Once it's up and running, and as you can see, we're at 13% on the Surface resetting. This is my Linux rig hooked up to this monitor where you can see they have OBS. Once everything is done and it resets, I'll TeamViewer it back onto this screen and record what I do on this screen. Okay, we're almost there. Well, it looks like we're finally getting there. Just a moment. Okay, at this point we already finished the 73 percentage phase, and then this came up, so we might be a little bit further along than that. Yep, here we go. Let's see, it's set up, and we will accept the legal. And For now, I'm just going to go with all. Okay, they're not lying. This does take more than just several minutes. Well, okay, the reset seems to be done. At this point, when Windows loaded up, it immediately went to Edge. And I'm assuming it wants me to do the setup from there. So, well, I won't bore you with those details. Let's see. And there we are. Now we're connected. Let's see if I can view. Okay. As you can see, I'm loaded in. And it is about the cleanest version of Windows I've got on this tablet. It's got the Office promo, Edge, the early version, and these are all the basic Windows apps. From here, there's not really too much else to say. I mean, we got a clean version of Windows on this tablet. If you want to see what kind of tablet we have, we can just go to the system information. We're running Windows 10 Pro. That's the build version. It's Surface Pro 3. It's running a Core i3 4th generation CPU. Megatrons BIOS. It's got your standard 4 gig of RAM. Got about five and a half quarter gig of virtual memory. That's all there is. Thank you for sticking around with me. We're done. Bye.